All right, everybody, here we are, back together again, surrounded with little puffs of loveliness. Yeah, I'm a little nuts. It is Thursday, November 1st, 2018. We are just moments away from Apple reporting earnings. Now, personally, I don't care, for the most part, which way this stock goes. I did sell November 9th, hold on a minute, 197.5 puts. As long as, let's just say, and we're going to find out in about 2 minutes, that Apple has a sell-off. I just don't want it to sell off enough to hit the strike price of the puts I sold. Other than that, I could not care less. And we're going to do this together. It's going to be kind of fun. So look, stocks rallied again today for a myriad of reasons, and the dollar was a big part of this. We did find out that apparently there is some kind of a nice talk between the General Secretary of the Communist Party of China and President Trump regarding trade. Is it true? Have no idea. It did get floated out there. Market seems to like this news, and we're going to have to see how that plays out. We also got some very bad economic news. The Institute for Supply Management missed the mark big time and hit a 6-month low. In a real market, you would expect markets to dive. Well, not here, because that means the Fed will keep their foot to the floor. No doubt about it. We also found out that the Treasury Department is about to issue more debt right now than it had during the meltdown of 2008. Why? Well, our economy is so strong that we need to borrow more than we ever have. Does that make any sense to you? Of course not. It's not true. It's just absolutely false. So let's see. Let's watch Apple earnings. Apple did put on a gain today, and we're going to see how this plays out very, very shortly. This is going to, the reason why I actually am sitting here doing this, again, as long as it doesn't hit my strike price, 197.5, and even then I have a little bit of time. I think it's coming out right now. Here we go. Blah, blah, blah. Apple beats, but I think it's down a little bit here, about 2% so far. Again, I don't care. Doesn't matter to me at all. Zero. As long as it doesn't hit my strike price, who cares? I don't care. This is the beauty, and I mean beauty, of credit spreads. Down 3.25%. This is interesting. Okay. It's bouncing all over the place. Still in the negative slightly. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Again, like I said, I don't care. This will just set the tone for tomorrow. Down 3.2% now. 3.25. Okay, whatever. Nothing dramatic yet. Anyway, like I said, I could not care less what it does, as long as it doesn't hit my strike price of 197.5. You all know about this. It's posted directly to my website, traderschoice.net, left side of the page. All right, so let's talk about a few things here. So again, we get bad economic news. I mean abysmal economic news, and stocks go higher today. Again, we all understand why. It's a fake market. It's absolutely rigged. It means the Fed, all world central banks are going to continue to issue more debt. And like I just said again, this should be no surprise to you at all. And I mean zero. The Treasury Department now is about to issue more debt because we can't sustain ourselves. You understand? If we really had a booming economy, would we need to continue to borrow and borrow and borrow and borrow some more? Would debts and deficits continue to explode to the upside? Absolutely not. This is not real. The market is being used as a tool. And And every time it goes up, our president touts it's gone up. But if it goes down, it's like a piece of tape over his mouth. I hate that. I don't know about you, but I hate that. I personally think politicians that lie or use distractions, and it's not just our president, it's every single world leader, every single politician, they don't know how to tell the truth. They can't tell the truth, and that's the shame of it all. Level with the people. Tell the people what's really going on. We can handle it, and we can find a way out of this disgusting mess that keeps getting worse every single day. The debt bubble continues to inflate. It will get larger and larger and larger, and as much as I can hope for and pray for us not to hit the wall at hypersonic speed, it looks like that's where we're going, right into, and the middle class is going to get decimated worse than we could possibly imagine. Maybe that's the setup here, going back to a two-tier society, the haves and the have-nots, all of these world leaders colluding with their central banks to bring this about, President Trump included. It's a very sad state of affairs, very, very sad. Let's check on Apple real quick while I got you here. Apple is down now 5.14%. And after hours trading, it's at 210.8, not even close to my strike price. So I don't care. Look at my I don't care face, my I don't care dance. You like that? That's me. Anyway, with that said, I'm going to leave you off with that image of me doing my little dance here. Okay? Don't have too many nightmares. My beautiful friends, I will see all of you in the morning. It's going to be even more fun than my little dance. See you then.